welcome back to
the Zak
and Buzz Review. Right, what are we reviewing today?
Well, in a previous review, you did ask me if I had any more Ryobi products to review.
No.
And so, because I know you love them so much,
Oh yeah. Oh, we keep getting them to review, it would seem.
I couldn't resist it. I was in a DIY shop that we have in the UK called B&Q.
Oh, okay.
And I always
We can get you lost in B&Q, can't we?
Okay, you can. But unfortunately, because Ryobi have designed their tools, their One Plus system to be like bright, what would you call it? Yellowy green.
Yellowy green, yeah.
It stands out in the store. You can't miss the section, and it kind of like calls to you. It says, come to me now.
Oh my.
You see, and it's like, hark, I see the Ryobi stand. So
Is there a big light going Ryobi and...
Oh, that's it. So anyway, so you're in there with your trolley, you know, getting loads of timber and stuff, and inevitably you can't help but go past the Ryobi stand. And lo and behold, there was a product there I haven't seen before. Well, actually, I have seen, I think they do 2 or 3 different models, and they were being a bit expensive for what I thought they were a bit expensive. And I saw this product, and I thought, I'm going to get that, because it was a bargain price. So there you go.
What is it? What did you get this time?
Let me get the box. Okay.
Da, 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 da.
The Ryobi flashlight, 18 volt
Okay.
flashlight of the One Plus system. Ta-da!
Okay. Cool.
Now I can't have enough flashlights in my life, you know.
I mean, they're useful, especially
Very
in the
useful.
dark.
Yeah, they're very useful. You never know when you may need a flashlight or not. This runs off the Ryobi One Plus system.
You love the One Plus system.
Let's put the box over.
You really
now.
do love the One
So
Plus system.
let's get the actual product itself. I've got tucked down here. And again, I was buying it product only, so no battery included.
Okay.
All right.
That's quite kind of compact, which is nice.
Yep, let me go grab a battery for it. Here we are. So the battery doesn't come with this product. So, and it just clips in. There you go.
Ta-da.
Ta-da!
That kind of looks a bit futuristic, if you ask me.
It does. I mean, you know, I think they're pretty cool. I don't know who does their design work, but they're not, yeah, it's good fun. Anyway, so it's a flashlight.
Yep.
Let's turn it on. There you go. Look, beam into the camera. Oh, hey, that's bright.
Yeah, don't be out of the camera too much, honestly.
Yes, but anyway, so it's a straightforward flashlight. And
Yep.
how much would you pay for a flashlight? Now, considering considering this flashlight without batteries, you know, it just comes tool only.
I reckon, because it's part of the Ryobi thing, maybe... It kind of looks quite budget friendly, actually. So I'm going to say £25.
£25. Well, budget friendly is probably the correct term. Cost me the grand total of £11.
Oh, okay. Did you have like a discount or anything, or was that it?
That was the shelf price, £11.
Okay.
Because I go to B&Q a lot, and I have a trade card for B&Q, Trade Point, I think it's called. I also get discounts. So after I bought this and I bought all my other gear with the discount, you could argue that I actually only paid £6 for it. So there you go.
Oh, okay. Well, no brainer then.
No brainer. So anyway, but interesting, the other feature that it has is the actual flashlight lens turns around.
Oh, that's weird.
Yeah, it's kind of weird.
How do you hold it then?
Well, no. Okay, right. So obviously you're going to be holding this as a normal flashlight, looking around.
Oh no, I'm looking through the forest, looking for something.
Looking for deadites in the forest. You know, where are the deadites?
That's an Evil Dead
before
reference.
Before you hear
okay?
that sound, you go, no, back to the lodge quickly. Anyway, so normal flashlight mode. However, you want to go hands free. And flashlights are usually, you know, I find them very useful when I'm in places like under the sink, somewhere you rarely go.
I could see a plumber or a technician.
Yeah, or under a vehicle, or in an engine compartment, or somewhere like that. It has got a little screw and hook bit at the back. I don't know how functional that is, and they've also left a hole through the back of the handle so you can hang it up if needs be. But if you can imagine yourself doing a little bit of plumbing, you're in a tight area and you need that uplight, well, obviously, just stick it on the floor, turn it on. There you go.
Oh, right. Or
light.
could it be like you're going to look under something? Like that?
Yeah, could.
Would
Yeah,
that-
I
would that
suppose. I suppose. You know.
Under a cabinet that
Under a
you've
cabinet.
lost your phone down the back of or something? I don't know.
Yeah. I mean, there you could probably stand up like that as well.
So
there you go. Where's the light?
nowadays,
I see the light. Look, the power is in my hand.
I can turn the light off in a second, but that lamp light looks like an old school kind of light.
Yeah, that
it's
was-
not an LED.
No, that was
which most lights aren't.
That was kind of the downside on this product for me. It actually says on the box, blah, 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 blah. I said it here somewhere. Sure it did. It doesn't say halogen, it says something else. Anyway, you're right.
Yeah, it's not an LED one.
It's not an LED. No, LED.
So
it's
if the bulb goes, is
oh, there you
there
are. It says Krypton lamp. So it says Krypton bulb. I don't
Okay.
know. Maybe it's something to do with.
Is that
the planet
replaceable?
Krypton.
is
Maybe
it
if you beam it at Superman, it will, it'll be like kryptonite.
can you replace the bulb if
Yeah.
it breaks?
Yeah, it's got a little screwdriver bit in there, so you can pop one each side. You can pop the cover off.
Okay.
Actually shows you in the instructions, so you can take that off. And I've looked on the internet, and you can actually get LED replacement bulbs.
Oh, okay, that makes it a lot better actually.
So what I think I'll probably do, I think you got like 5 bulbs for £7 or £7.99.
Okay.
So I'm probably going to get some backup bulbs and then take the top off, stick an LED one in it, just keep that one.
Yeah.
And then I've got some backups and change it over to an LED.
So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to stand up and turn the light off.
He's going to go and turn the light off, ladies and gentlemen.
We're testing a torch.
He's
we have to.
He's doing a camera wipe. There you go. It's like being back on EastEnders.
Okay, are we ready?
Yeah. You going to stay over there while I test this?
Yes.
Okay. Oh, there we go.
I think your beard's covering it up.
Is it? Oh, dearie me. There you go. Oh, God, my eyes. I didn't need those
Okay,
retinas. Okay, so I'm beaming around. Maybe I'll beam it behind me. There you go.
Yeah, that's good. Ow, I just kicked something.
That's because you're in the dark. Do you need a torch?
I do need a torch.
You come over here. I can beam it at you.
Hi, I'm Zak.
There you go.
I'm in a review. Ah, my eye. It's bright, okay? It's
very
bright.
bright.
It does
Okay.
the job.
Yeah, it does the job. I'm trying not to beam it at the camera, but
Screen wipe.
there you go. Let me, I'm going to turn the lens around. There you go. Oh, now I've got it at the table. I'm hands-free now.
There you go. You can play
I could be
cards camping or
I
something.
can be a dungeon master.
No, not Dungeon Master.
No.
We're going with Zargon from Hero Quest.
Hero Quest. Okay, Zargon. I am Zargon.
That's a name drop for a future review we're going to have to do.
Right, okay. Turn it off. Turn it off. Turn it off.
Okay, lights on
Yeah.
now.
House lights. There you go. So there we have it. There we have it.
I mean, yeah, for the fact that you paid.
I honestly,
It was so cheap.
11 quid.
Yeah,
Even at £11
it's a no-brainer.
for tool only. It's a no-brainer. I think.
Yeah.
It's just a handy flashlight. I mean, what do you get for? And of course, you just slap any one of the 18-volt OnePlus system batteries in it.
Definitely.
Huzzah!
Well done.
I got a flashlight. I got a bargain. There you go.
And you're happy with it.
And I'm happy with it. It does what it says on the tin, which is
Or the box.
it flashes its light wherever you point it. It's a flashlight. What more do you want?
That was the best bit you just said. It's flashing.
It's a flashlight.
Best review ever. Okay,
That's what you
guys.
Anyway, there you go. So, £11, B&Q. I know they're still there. Go get yourself a bargain. Job done.
If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to this channel and comment below any reviews you'd like to see in the future.
Goodbye from Buzz.
And goodbye from Zak.